Yeah, it's April, and it's time for VEDA. VEDA, VEDA, VEDA.
What's up, everybody? It is your girl Glenda with WhatchaCookinGlenda. We are back with another grocery haul. If you would like to be part of our G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the notification bell. Click all so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Oh, and hit the like button. My husband says hit the like button. And share the videos. So listen, this is a quick Amazon fresh grocery haul just to kind of make ends meet, grab some things that we want to cook that you'll probably still see in some future videos and so on and so forth. So right here we've got some super crispy steak fries. They are actually very good. I'm gonna put these to the side. Husband can put away as I put them over here. And then these crunchy breaded Gorton's fish right here. My mother loves these. My husband likes them and Curtis likes them. So we grabbed 2 bags of these and I'll probably give one to my mother. So there's the second bag over there. One of these tri-packs of bell peppers right here. Also grabbed a little bag of lemons. We like to clean the chicken and stuff with them, but we also like to put them in our drinks. We needed a few fresh vegetables, so here's 2 zucchini and 2 yellow squash right here. Then we've got some strawberries back here. They picked some good strawberries too, y'all. This was dropped off today. And then I also got some baby Bella mushrooms, sliced baby Bella mushrooms. The star of the show for me, y'all, let me tell you, I went looking for this macaroni salad. I've told y'all about this macaroni salad. I went looking for this macaroni salad last week sometime. They were sold out. So I didn't even place my order. I went back today. They had it. So I picked up 4 of them. So this is also going to be for a meal. I think we're going to fry some fish and eat some macaroni salad. Then we got a couple of these Jenny O turkey, 1-pound turkey, ground turkey meats. I've got some black olives back here again for another meal. Plus I like to put them in my salads. Oh, that's pearls. Okay, so then we grab some tartar sauce, just 2 of those. And then I've got some more taco seasoning mix. Picked up 4 of these because I think I don't have any more. We've been kind of making it from scratch. So this just makes things easier. And then 3 loaves of bread. Now the bread we got this time, which one of our convenience stores sells this bread. So it was familiar to me, and that's the reason why we picked it up. But I got 3 loaves of the Bimbo soft white bread. That's our haul. That's it right there. That's our haul. I know it's short and sweet, but you guys be prepared for some videos that'll be coming up soon. Some lives that will be coming up soon. And we'll see y'all on the next episode of WhatchaCookinGlenda. Babe, you have any parting words?
Y'all be safe and God bless.
He says, be safe and God bless. We'll see y'all. Bye. So So y'all, this is a pickup from Walmart. I just placed a quick little like hair accessory order. Turn the light on, Kurt. Let me get a little more light in here. So I started off with this Blue Magic. Y'all know the old school Blue Magic. Curtis still uses this for his hair, but I messed around about 2 of them. I know it looked black on camera, but there we go. I messed around and got 2 of them because I thought he didn't have any. He had already got him some. So 1, 2. Then the Sulfate Medicated Light Formula. I normally use this on my TT girl's hair. For all you new people, my TT girl is Daniela. That's my goddaughter. And I normally use the yellow jar, but they didn't have any, so they switched me out for this one. And then over here, I have my Cantu Shea Butter. Picked up 2 of those. This is what I use in my hair with just some water. And I got 2 of those. I don't know, I probably already said that. And then up here, husband needed some more of the Murray's. How many of y'all, with y'all waves and stuff, still use Murray's? Y'all remember the Murray's pomade? So we grabbed him 2 of those. And then the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. Y'all see it? I normally have like 6 or 7 of these things, and I haven't had to buy any in a long time. And I normally use them for like my legs and my feet, to be honest with you. It is a oil that you can use, kind of like the Hot 6 oil, but it's multi-purpose, as you see, for hair, bath, nails, and body. So I use it on my legs and feet, and I have not been able to get any until now. So I was looking on Amazon, and they're just so much more expensive, like a whole $1 and something more, if I'm not mistaken. So I was like, I need to get me several bottles. So I got 5. There's my other ones back here. And then we also needed some more of these Scotch Brite sponges. So we got the 9-pack from Walmart. Normally I try to get the really big pack from where is it, Sam's, but we forgot the last Sam's haul that we did. We forgot to pick up these scrubs. What are these things called? Sponges. So I picked up 2 of those. All right, so that is the end of our haul. You have seen some items from Amazon Fresh, and now the hair accessory and dish accessories from Walmart. So we will see you guys on the next episode of What You Cooking, Glenda. Talk to y'all later.